Hello, I am Josie, and today I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about DBMS compared to traditional file processing. Now, for those of you that may not have seen my past videos about what DBMS and traditional file processing is, that is perfectly okay. Here's just a short, quick summary of what it is. A DBMS is specialized software that stores, manages, and retrieves data efficiently while ensuring security, consistency, and multi-user access. It supports complex queries, reduces redundancy, and provides tools for backup recovery and transaction management. Traditional file processing stores data in separate files managed directly by application programs, with each programming handling its own data access logic. It is simple and low cost, but often leads to data redundancy, limited sharing, and difficulty scaling as data grows. Now, if you want a more in-depth of what DBMS and traditional file processing is, then you are more than welcome to check out my last two videos that you can see either on my channel or on LinkedIn. Now, here are some real world scenarios on where you can use these programs. So, in DBMS or data management systems, you can use in large multi user enterprise systems. In environments such as banks, hospitals, universities, or e-commerce platforms, many users need to access and update data at the same time. A DBMS is ideal because it supports concurrency control, which is the capability of a system to manage multiple tasks, transaction management, and strict security measures. It's also good for applications requiring complex queries and reporting. Systems that rely on advanced data analysis, such as business intelligence dashboards or customer relationship management (CRM) tools, benefit from a DBMS. Query optimization, indexing, and structured query languages like SQL make data retrieval efficient and flexible. While on the other hand, we have traditional file processing. Traditional file processing is great for small standalone applications with limited data. For simple tasks such as maintaining a personal address book, a small utility program, or a configuration file, traditional file processing is sufficient and avoids the overhead of installing and managing a DBMS. It also has embedded systems or devices with limited resources. Devices like sensors, microcontrollers, or small appliances often store small amounts of data in flat files. Using a DBMS would be unnecessary and too resource intensive for such a constrained environment. In that case, a traditional file processing would be perfect for something so small and simple. Now, you might be wondering, well, what are some performance considerations on these two systems? Well, in DBMS, it is perfect for large scale data retrieval. A DBMS is designed to handle large scale data retrieval efficiently. It uses indexing, query optimization, caking, and parallel processing to locate and return data quickly. Even when dealing with millions of records, these features improve performance for complex queries. However, the DBMS introduces some overhead due to security checks, transaction management, and concurrency control. While on the other hand, we have traditional file processing. which, in contrast, may perform adequately for small data sets, but it struggles with large scale retrieval. Without indexing or optimization, the system often relies on sequential searches, which becomes increasingly slow as the file size grows. Additionally, the lack of built in query capabilities mean that application programs must manually implement search logic, further reducing its efficiency. Overall, a DBMS provides far better performance for large data sets, but traditional file processing becomes more efficient for smaller data sets and something much more simple than what DBMS is used for. Although traditional file processing is less efficient and not suitable for such a large scale of data retrieval like DBMS. Anyways, that is all I have for you today, and I thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see any other videos I have that are based on programming and just technology overall, you're more than welcome to look at my LinkedIn and check out my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.